Hey guys, happy Easter. Happy Easter to all who celebrate. Happy whatever, spring. I mean, it's really a spring holiday because it always happens on the first Sunday after the first full moon of spring. You know, and I know the official Christian religion has it the resurrection of Jesus, but I mean, if you really resurrected, they'd have a date pinpointed. It wouldn't be floating around, between March and April all the time. Sorry if I'm offending anybody. I should, let everybody know I'm an atheist. I've been an atheist for as long as, a little bit longer than I've been meatless. So yeah, I'm not one of those atheists that, hates on religious people. My best friend is very religious. She has had me put on a couple of what she considers to be very powerful prayer lists for my surgery, and I appreciate her for that. I know she's doing it because she loves me. So, and my grandparents were very religious, and I loved them very much. So, though I'm an atheist myself, I'm not an outspoken one. I don't go around disrespecting religious people. So, there's my Easter Sunday message. A little bit about myself. These are my vegan deviled eggs, and I got some little egg molds. I have some silicone egg molds that I used. They're just like half eggs. I also somewhere, I couldn't find them, but I've got some, it was back in the 90s, I think. Jello came out with their Jello jigglers, and they're like 3D solid egg shapes, and I bought the molds. And I thought it would be fun to use them someday to make, some kind of an egg like this with a yolk inside. But I really haven't perfected the egg white yet. I made these with the carrageenan, and they're more like cheese. They're not like egg white. The flavor is delicious. I will put the recipe. I've done it with agar. I think I like agar better, so I'll put the agar recipe. And then the yolk is tofu. The egg white is soy milk, flavored with just the tiniest pinch of white pepper and a very small amount of black salt. And when you're doing this, if you're doing this, you should do it because I just got back from, major surgery Thursday night. And if I can do it with a, sorry to get graphic, a bone-deep incision in my leg from hip to shin, you can do it too. So, I will put the recipe for both the egg white and the deviled egg yolk. The deviled egg yolk is delicious. Okay, let me pick one up and try it here. But I taste everything, before the final stages to make sure it's all good before I turn it into something. Oh, that egg yolk mixture makes it so good. Even though the texture is not like egg white, it's still really good. Really tasty. It's tasty and it's enjoyable. I mean, you're not going to fool anybody that it's an egg. At least not the egg white part. The egg yolk part, yeah, you could. That's tofu with a little bit of Veganized, mustard vinegar, and more black salt and white pepper. You never put enough white pepper that you go, oh, it's full of white pepper. Just enough white pepper that it gives it just a little bit of a funk. And it's super easy. I mean, you just, cook the soy milk with the whatever you thicken it with. and pour it in your molds and let them harden up. They pop right out of the silicone. You don't need to use any oil. And then you can either leave them flat on the top or you can hollow them out. I hollowed mine out with, you can see the little hollow there. I hollowed mine out with a little spoon. You can use a melon baller or a cookie scoop. Hollow it out, and then you mix up the deviled yolk part. I blended mine to make it very smooth because I wanted to pipe it, you know, make a fancy little rosette in it. And, you know, chill them and they're ready to go for Easter. It's kind of fun to have something like this. So anyway, I don't know if I'm going to have a video for Tuesday because I really should be taking a break. And I'm still a little bit scatterbrained, which proves that coming home has not cured my hospital room delirium. I probably have still a little bit of drug residue in there that's affecting me. So I may or may not have something on Tuesday, but I hope maybe by next Sunday to get back on the regular Tuesday, Thursday videos. But I mean, I'm basically not promising anything. Something might crop up, but I don't want to promise. So anyway, as usual, I'll have all the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for bearing with my personal religious views exposition there at the beginning. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you later, guys.